Mining impact cannot be washed away. Mining was a big industry that was actually supporting the finances of the state. Today, without mining, we cannot think of any other kind of alternative method of resource earning, which mining is to give. Mining is an important sector, and we have to somehow see that we have to work all together to see that this mining is restarted again, because mining for us, at anyhow, in whatever form, we require mining activities in the state of Goa. In addition to it, one thing it must be very clear that apart from mining, there is no other sector that can generate that type of income which mining is to give in terms of royalty to the state government. To find out till the mining starts what are the alternative areas that we can create for employment generation is very important for us to have some other revenue stream on board, or also an area that can bring what type of industries or what type of activity can generate that type of employment. But one thing, let me put it, this whole mining impact, which is there is a very major impact. I don't think whatever you do, we will be able to come close to that particular thing, because that is a serious issue with the state. Other thing, I am sympathetic to the environment is, but not at the cost of mining. Mining is a must, and we have to somehow press this issue with the central government also, that somehow find us or help us give a way. I said to you very categorically, in any form, we must see that we find a solution to start mining in the state of Goa, and any form that is acceptable, so that the people are brought back on board. Because what the figure you're talking of is not only direct employment, it's indirect employment, and also related to the activity that was happening. Harsh decisions will have to be taken in order to move forward, in order to see that we are able to once again bring this sector, which was a vibrant sector in the state of Goa, which because of the Supreme Court decision was had come to a standstill. We have to find a way how we can move forward. आमचे गोयचे भुरगे शिकल्या, पयलीं सारकी परिस्थिती ना, त्या भुरग्यांक जॉब तयार करून दिवपाचो आमचें कर्तव्य आसा. तें म्हाका दिसता की मुख्यमंत्री आमी पयर हांव उलयतालो इन जनरल कन्वर्सेशन की आमच्या आयज हेल्थान बी जे जॉब दिल्या तेजे पेक्षा आनी बरे शिकलेले हेल्थ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनचे भुरगे शिकलेले आहा. ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी इनकॉर्पोरेट करून पर्सनल डिपार्टमेंटान वेगळे तरेन रिक्रुटमेंट पॉलिसी करपाची गरज आसा. म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्री ते करतले, पूण आमकां विचार सिरियसली करचो पडटलो, कित्याक मायनिंगाचो मार जो इम्पॅक्ट आता जो 34% ते कदाचित वाढू शकता. जर आम्ही योग्य तरेचे डिसिजन घेऊन